Hey guys, I'm Teacher Elo and I'm here to explain nouns. Okay, so what are nouns? Nouns are a part of speech, and a part of speech is part of grammar, so the different parts of the language. So in English, we have nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, and a few more. But the basic ones, the most important for beginners, are nouns and verbs. Okay, so let's look at what are nouns. Okay, so nouns are these four big ideas. So nouns are people, places, ideas, and things. All right, so a lot of words that are nouns will fall into one of these categories: people, places, ideas, or things. And here are some examples. So for people, people can be a woman, a barista. A barista is the name of that woman's job if you work at a coffee shop. A daughter, a student. Okay, these are all people. Remember, person is for one. So one person, two people. All right, places, some examples: a coffee shop, a building, Los Angeles, California, right, that's a city, and downtown. Downtown would be an area of a city or a part of a city. Okay, next one is ideas. So for ideas, we can think about happiness, interest, entertainment, positivity. Those are all ideas. Okay, and be careful with the word happy and happiness. So happy is an adjective. Okay, and I do have a video about adjectives if you want to practice those words. But adjectives describe, and happiness is not describing, it's just telling you about something. So happiness, entertainment, positivity, they're all nouns. They're kind of like a thing, but you can't see it, so it's an idea. And the last one is things. Things here are coffee, coffee mug, spoon, table. Okay, and things is usually something that has no life, that is not a person. Right, so like coffee or coffee mug, there's no life in it. But also for animals like a cow or a dog, a cat, and for plants, flowers, trees, those do have life. But we also call them things because they're not people, right? So again, nouns are people, places, ideas, and things. Okay, so here you get to think about which words are nouns. Okay, so I'll give you 5 seconds to think about it. Okay, so if you have 5 answers that are nouns, you're probably right. So there are 2 that are not nouns. The word eat and interesting. Those are not nouns. So the word eat, what is that? Eat is a verb. It's an action. So if I'm eating, you can see me putting the food in my mouth. That's an action. And the word interesting, interesting is an adjective. We're describing something. So I can say the movie is interesting, right? The movie is funny. The movie is cool, right? But interesting would be a describing word, an adjective. Everything else is a noun. So the word corn, corn is food. It's a thing, so it's a noun. Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee is a man. It's a person, so that's a noun. Sofa. Sofa is furniture. It's a thing, so it's a noun. Freedom. Freedom is an idea, so that is a noun. And Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is a place or a location, so that is a noun also. All right, I hope you got those all correct. Okay, so here's a quick quiz. So what you'll do is try to find all the nouns. And the last one is advanced. It's a little more difficult. So make sure you pause the video, write them in your notebook or on your tablets or computer, and we'll get the answers in 5 seconds. Okay, so I hope you pause the video and have your answers. So here are the answers. Okay, so first one, the sentence, the green car is parked outside the new building. Okay, 3 nouns. We have car, outside, and building. Okay, second sentence, why is the dog in the living room? Okay, 2 nouns, dog and room. Third sentence, all the children were dancing in the yard. Okay, 2 nouns, children and yard. And fourth sentence, there was happiness in Martin's eyes when he saw his new computer. Okay, so there are 4 nouns on that one. We have happiness, Martin, eyes, and computer. All right, I hope you got those all correct. And if you have any more questions on this, remember you can leave a comment or you can send me a message and we can try to maybe do a different video or more practice. All right, and just to remind you, nouns are people, places, things, or ideas. That's what you want to practice. All right, and like always, thank you for your time and have a good day.